Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. Today I have come again with a signature dish of Eid festival. Today it's Eid, Sevai Eid, Meethi Eid it's said, and on this occasion uh, all Muslim community, it's a very uh, pious day for them, and they celebrate Eid on this day, and they cook varieties of dishes, especially the sheer khurma. Sheer khurma is a sweet dish, dessert. It is made with milk, primarily milk, and lots of dry fruits and vermicelli. And why it is named sheer khurma? Sheer means sweet, and khurma is dates. They observe 1 month fast before this Eid festival that is called Ramzan, and during this Ramzan they eat lot of dates. Why? Because with this date has all energy in it has great food value, and they provide all energy needed to the body if you are fasting. They provide everything your body needs it. So date is also put in this sweet dish. So I'm going to prepare that for you today. So I must say Eid Mubarak to everybody, all the viewers, and let's start with it. It has two parts, let me say. First, we shall thicken the milk, and secondly, we shall roast the vermicelli in clarified butter, and the dry fruits also, nuts also, and then it will be combined together. So let's start. And before I proceed to cook it, just to remind you, if you like this recipe, please do not forget to click on the like button, and please do subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get all notification whenever I post a new recipe in this channel. So remember, Cook with Reena. We'll start with frying the nuts. I'm adding some clarified butter, desi ghee, and to this I'm adding, these are dry dates. I had soaked it in hot water and chopped it. We call it chuara. Then cashew, chopped almonds. Nuts, it's your choice. Whatever nut you want, you can use it. It's one's choice. These are the harder ones, so I have put it first. Then I shall add the pistachio and chironji, we call it. This is very flavorful nut. It releases flavor. When it is added to the milk, it has a beautiful scent. Now I shall add the pistachio, chopped pistachio, and the chironji. This sheer khurma is full of thick milk and taste of this nuts. It's very rich in taste, you can understand. So these nuts are roasted now in ghee, so I shall take it out from fire. So in the same pan I'll fry this vermicelli. I have taken half cup of vermicelli in 1 liter of milk. you have to roast it. See, these vermicellis have changed its color and they are nicely roasted. So I shall take it off from fire now. No more roasting required. Now the next step is thickening of milk. Keep stirring the milk and you have to reduce it. I mean 1/4 you have to reduce, not much, because I am going to add this condensed milk to it. Because you know, if you have khoya kheer, you can add khoya, or you can thicken it to half, then you add the nuts and the vermicelli. Then you don't require to put this condensed milk. So since I had this condensed milk and it fastens the the time of cooking, so I thought of using it. To this milk I am adding this cardamom, green cardamom. It will give beautiful aroma. Cardamom aroma is very good in any kheer. So I am adding this full. So that if you don't like to chew it, you can take it out after it is cooked. तो व्यूअर्स, ईद के इस शुभ अवसर पे मैं आज शीर खुरमा बना रही हूँ. ये मुबारक मौका है, इसमें हर घर में शीर खुरमा ज़रूर बनता है. जो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं इसको बहुत धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, नए तरह तरह के पकवान बनते हैं. लेकिन क्योंकि ये सेवई ईद है तो सेवई हर घर में बनती है, तो इसके लिए मैं भी बना रही हूँ. तो इसके लिए मैंने देखिए सेवई को घी में रोस्ट कर लिया है. ये सारे नट्स हैं, इनको भी मैंने रोस्ट कर लिया है घी में. और अब मैं दूध को पका रही हूँ. इसको ऑलमोस्ट मैं 1/4 थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर लूँगी. उसके बाद मैं इसमें कंडेंस मिल्क ऐड करूँगी. अगर आपके पास कंडेंस मिल्क नहीं ऐड करना चाहते हैं, नहीं है, तो आप इसको पूरा आधा कर लीजिए रिड्यूस करके, जैसे हम खीर में करते हैं. आधा करके तब आप इसमें ये घी में फ्राई किए हुए वर्मिसेली सेवई और ड्राई फ्रूट्स मिला सकते हैं. इसमें मैंने इलायची डाली है खुशबू के लिए, और ड्राई नट्स जो हैं काजू है, बादाम है, पिस्ता है, छुआरे हैं, चिरौंजी है. और इसमें तो नट्स ऐसा है कि अनगिनत डाल सकते हैं. छुआरों को मैंने भिगो लिया था, भिगो के उनको नरम होने पे उनको मैंने फिर इनको घी में फ्राई कर लिए सारे नट्स. तो अब मैं दूध को रिड्यूस कर रही हूँ. The milk is reducing. I'll add few raisins to it. Raisins I had not soaked. It doesn't require soaking. It's already soft, so you don't require soaking. It will fluff it with the milk itself. So now I shall add this one ladleful of this condensed milk. You know, in traditionally neither this condensed milk concept was not there, nor sugar was added. It was cooked just with dates. The dates were soaked in hot water. They were pounded and added to the milk for sweetener, as sweetener. And this is very healthy, and still Those who do not want to have sugar intake, they are diabetic, they can simply omit adding sugar and this milkmaid and just cook with pounded dates, and that will bring a beautiful caramelized color also to this kheer. So viewers, इसमें मैंने अभी एक कड़ची भर के कंडेंस मिल्क डाल दी है. अगर आपको शुगर है, डायबिटीज़ है, आप शुगर नहीं लेना चाहते हैं तो आप इसमें शुगर ना डालें. इसका जो नॉर्मल स्वीटनर है, खजूर यूज़ करिए. जो नॉर्मल खजूर है उसको गर्म करके उसको पाउंड कर लीजिए, पीस लीजिए और उसको दूध में अगर मिला देते हैं तो वो नेचुरली आपकी खीर बिल्कुल मीठी बन जाएगी. और ट्रेडिशनली ऐसे ही होता था. ट्रेडिशनली जो बनता था उसमें ना चीनी होती थी, ना कंडेंस मिल्क तो तब होता ही नहीं था. तो या तो गुड़ डालते थे या फिर ये खजूर से ही उसको मीठा करते थे. तो आप वो ऑप्शन भी है. तो मैं इसको थोड़ी मिठास कितनी हुई मैं चेक कर लेती हूँ. It is slightly sweet, so I can add some more condensed milk to it. This will thicken and enhance the taste and reduce the time of cooking also, because I don't need to reduce the milk anymore. If you want more sweet, then you can add extra sugar to it, but I am not adding it because this much sweet is enough for me. तो व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मीठी खीर पसंद है तो आप इसमें और शुगर मिला सकते हैं. मैं इसमें जितनी मिठास इससे आई है उतना ही रख रही हूँ और इसको मैं और चीनी नहीं मिला रही. इसका रंग देखिए खूबसूरत हो गया है. Now I shall add this fried vermicelli to it. This doesn't take much time to cook and this will fluff also. In the beginning it may look little runny when I stop cooking, but gradually when it cools down it thickens. So if you want some little runny kheer, you have to less reduce the milk, and if you want thick one, then this is fine. I will add the dates to it because it will take some time to soften. When we cook rice kheer, we add sugar later. First we cook the rice, then we add the sugar. But in this vermicelli, it's not required because it is so soft that it gets cooked. So vermicelli is cooked now, I can see. So if you want to add sugar, you have to add sugar at this point of time after cooking the vermicelli. otherwise this vermicelli won't cook. So just to show you, I'll add little. I told you I don't want to add sugar. This is unrefined sugar. We don't use sugar. This is unrefined sugar. We call it khan. I'm adding this. व्यूअर्स, अगर आप चीनी मिलाना चाहते हो कंडेंस मिल्क के अलावा तो इस टाइम आपको मिलाना पड़ेगा जबकि ये सेवइयाँ कुक हो चुकी हैं. अगर उससे पहले मिलाएंगे तो सेवइयाँ खड़ी खड़ी रह जाएंगी, वो कुक नहीं होंगी. तो मैंने जस्ट आपको दिखाने के लिए थोड़ी सी चीनी मिलाई है. आप अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से चीनी मिला दीजिएगा. और नाउ आई विल ऐड रेस्ट ऑफ द ड्राई फ्रूट्स. बाकी जितनी ड्राई फ्रूट्स है वो मिला देती हूँ क्योंकि सेवई पक चुकी है. अब बस ड्राई फ्रूट्स का फ्लेवर उसमें ऐड हो जाएगा घी के साथ. तो इट इज़ डन. So it is you are seeing this consistency, and after 1 hour I'll show you this will completely thicken. So if you want to have cold one, in hot, if you want hot, it is served like this. If you want to have cold, then you have to make it little runny. You have to add little more milk to it. So now I am switching off the oven. It's all done. So friends, I hope you have liked this. It's very easy recipe, very delicious, and please do try it. And I hope you have liked it. So don't forget to click on the like button. Do share with your friends and family. Cook it and give me your feedback. And please subscribe my channel Cook with Reena. So see you with some more nice recipes like this. So till that time, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Bye bye.